Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there? This is me, Ashish Chauhan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create photo manipulation just like Mark Singerman, who is a very famous Instagram photographer. If you don't know, then just check it out. His work is really very awesome. Before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, camera preset, lightroom preset, loots, PNGs and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the photo which you want to get edited. Now let's select the photo by using the quick selection tool from the toolbox. Just click on the plus icon to make the subject to be selected. Just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected, or you can use pen tool also to select very precisely. And just right click on it and select leave a copy option. Or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the duplication of the selected area. So here we have made a layer. Now let's just add some background to the photograph. So we'll go to the file, click on open, and let's browse this background. Let's just drag it and drop over here, so it will automatically come. And just press Ctrl T from the keyboard to enlarge the image of the background. Let's keep it somewhere over here. If you want to increase the size, then you can increase it from here. Now just press enter and hit OK. Now the thing is, let's crop the image for our Instagram. So just select the crop tool and just increase the size a little bit. So this would be the perfect for our Instagram. Press Ctrl T again to enlarge the image, or to stretch, or you can also stretch it. And just press enter. Now all you're gonna do is let's make the subject's hair. So we will use first of all we'll erase some of the portion from here. So let's select the eraser tool and just delete it from here, somewhere over here, just like this way. Now let's select the smudge tool from here and just click the hard round brush and make the strength to around 40 or 50%, and just stretch it on the upward direction so that it will automatically create a unique hairstyle and it will look original just like hairs. So just keep on stroking on the upward direction. Just like this way. Now let's make the hairs a little more darker. So let's select the burn tool from here and make the exposure to 100%, and just paint on the edge of the subject to make it more darker. just like this way. Again, let's select the tool and just to select the soft round brush. Just keep on stroking up to here. Now it's time to blur the edge of the subject, because we want to make the subject to look more realistic and natural. So it is really very important that you should, blur the edge of the subject. So we'll select the blur tool. Make the strength to 100%. Now let's select the hard round brush. Let's make the strength to 80% and just paint on the edge of the subject. Only the edge you have to paint it with blur tool. Let's decrease some more. By using this blur tool, you can actually merge your photograph with the background, which actually looks very pretty and original and realistic, which we actually want in our photographs. No one should look like it. No one should identify whether your photo is edited or real one. So it is very mandatory to blur the edge of the subject. So that's why we are blurring the edges, so that no one would identify. Just make sure that every corner of the subject is properly blurred and nothing remains. Just like this way you have to blur the edge of the subject. So finally here we have completed our process of blurring. Now let's just merge both the background and the layer. Now all you're gonna do is just add some loots to the photograph. Let's add some neon lights. So let's select the neon PNG or the image, just drag it and drop over here. Just keep it on this position. Now just change the blending mode to screen, and that's it. Now it looks very pretty. Yes, there is something more remaining, that is press Ctrl Z and let's just press Ctrl L on the subject and just make it more dark, create a darkness on the image. So here you can see the before and after effect. It is really looking way more better. Now let's select the channel mixture brush tool, make the wet to 40%, 31 and 37, and just make your skin a little bit of smoothness. Only a minor retouching is needed, don't overdo the thing. So here we have almost completed our process of smudging the skin. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now add this neon lights and keep it somewhere over here. Change the blending mode to screen and just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Or if you want to make it more Gaussian blur, then just go to the filter, select blur and then just select the Gaussian blur and just increase the blurriness. And just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now let's crop one more time image. Go to the filter, select camera filter and let's go to the preset tab because we want to add the preset of Mark Singerman. If you still haven't got the preset, then just download this preset from our website on the camera preset tab, which we are using in this photo. So let's go to the user preset tab and just select this D1 AVC D1 preset. And just press enter. Okay. Now let's go to the camera filter and let's decrease some lightness from the image. Now decrease some highlights from the photograph and decrease some whiteness portion from the image. And you can still decrease some shadows and play with the black color. So here you can see the before and after effect. We have decreased some saturation from the face. Now let's just change the color of the skin. If you want to change, you can change it from here. Now it is looking very much realistic, so let's just press enter and OK. Now all you're gonna do is just add a create new layer and select the brush tool from here, and let's select this yellowish color from orange color and just create one stroke of the brush. Press Ctrl T to enlarge. Now change the blending mode to screen and just keep it somewhere over here. Now again let's press Ctrl J and press Ctrl D and press Ctrl U and just change it to red color. Press OK. So it will create a lightness from over here, like it is the subject, like lightness is coming from this area. It looks very much, you know, awesome. So let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layer. So here you can see we have created a perfect photo, just like, you know, Mark Singerman, which are photographs are very much, you know, popular and very high saturated with lightness full of. So here you can see the before and after effect. It is really looking very more better. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video, and if you still haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, camera preset, lightroom preset, and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out that website. And well, thank you for watching, and goodbye till the next video.